हे दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? मेरा नाम है सिद्धेश और आप देख रहे हैं द मनी वैल्यू। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Before we start, one request, please subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you. We're going to talk today about SEBI's recent circular and mutual fund asset allocation rules 2020. Yesterday, on a Friday, SEBI issued a new circular on new mutual fund asset allocation rules. Before we start, we need to understand what was the situation prior to this mutual fund allocation circular. Prior to this circular, there is one circular which we are referring. It was issued by SEBI in October 2017. It is called SEBI Categorisation and Rationalization of Mutual Fund Schemes. We are just trying to get right now. We're going to see only the limited part. So see how exactly this circular was. What this circular was saying. The circular was issued in 2017, which says if you want to be categorized as multi-cap, you should only invested equity related instrument of 65% of your total assets. So you will say that multi-cap. That's it. So there is no clear-cut guidelines on how, which, why fund should we say a multi-cap. Let's see what is the current situation. HDFC Equity Fund Growth. This is the multi-cap fund only in large cap, and this is not the only fund. We are going to see now the other funds, and we are going to see how they are into the asset allocation in their areas. So let's see the top 5 funds. So see, this is the top 5 funds: Kotak Standard Multicap, HDFC Equity, Motilal, Aditya Birla, and UTI. If you see, a total is large cap number is quite high. I mean 6683. Okay, this number has been taken on 31st August 2020. So this is approximate percentage of their total AUM. And I took only top 5 because list is can be go bigger and bigger. So if you see, the total is approximately 6083 to the large cap. So if you check out the average, on an average 75% to the large cap, 19% to the mid cap, and 4.9, which is again 5% to the small cap. Now what will happen is, now we have, as per this circular, this mutual fund industry has to maintain minimum 25% into the all these categories. So if we see how much shortfall we are talking about 50% into the large cap excess. How much excess they are? 50%, 5.5, 20.5. Okay, so how this 50% is gained? I assume that overall 100%, 20 and 5, 20%, 5% is gone. So balance 50% is assume it's a 100% scenario, and all 100% mutual cash is invested in equity. There is nothing in hand, nothing in debt, or nothing. It is just for the example purpose, so I just took it. So 50% is in equity, large cap. If we go with the above percentage, 50% is in equity, 5% into the 5.59, which is again 6% into the mid cap, and small cap 20%. Now suppose I need to rebalance. I have to sell large cap almost 25%. I need to buy 5.59% of a mid cap, and I have to again sell. I have to buy small cap 25%. Average total average market cap of this multi-cap as on 31st August 2000 is 1,46,532 crores. If we go with the same number, so approximately we are talking about 37,559 crores selling in a large cap, and then buying this money will be flush out from a large cap and push into the mid cap, 8,000 crore and 29,370 crore in a small cap. Now, is it going to happen? We don't know. So again, this is according to the this mutual fund industry's AUM is 1,46,532 crores, and approximately we assume that 37,000 crores will be withdrawn from large cap. So the next question is, what is the date to comply? Date to comply is the 31st January 2021. Again, yeah, they have 4-5 months. So is it we should assume that is it going to happen? I mean, selling into the large cap is come now, or uh, large cap will collapse with this 37,000 crores. We are seeing the sell off. Uh, for that, we need to find out the answers. I mean, there is no straightforward answer. Large cap or any equity fund can be go down because of this circular, or there is a border tension going on between China and India. The third reason may be US presidential election, which is somewhere in November. So there can be three reasons why we can say there will be fall in Nifty. First, the circular. Second, tension between China and India. Third is US presidential election. What we should do as a investor, as a mutual fund multi-cap investor we are holding, the answer is not straightforward. We need to understand what are the options available into the mutual fund industries to comply with this circular. There are two possible scenarios. One, will be the realignment of equity. I mean, that what we shown in about, they can sell it off, buy it, sell from a equity large cap and buy it in the small and mid cap. So that is option one. Option two, they can change the name of their mutual fund, categorization of the mutual fund, and add it into other mutual fund. What I mean is, suppose let's take example of a Kotak mutual fund or HDFC. HDFC can already have 83% in the large cap, so they can simply merge it with their other large cap equity fund and recategorize it into the large cap fund. To do that, because again there is one more circular which says each fund house should be have only one mutual fund category, so the only option remains is recategorization of the scheme. So yeah, there are two options: one, rebalancing, or other is a recategorization. So what's the impact? See, as of now, as on 31st August, the total AUM of equity is almost 7,69,000 crores. And the shift we are talking about 4.88%. The total AUM of a mutual fund industry is 27 lakh 49,000 crore. And the shift we are talking about 1.27, which is 37,000 crore. Even though the last August outflow is around 14,000 crore. So if you see number as a big, it's just a 4.88% of equity or 1.27% of entire AUM. So I don't think so there will be any impact as such. Yeah, on Monday we can see some crash or some little bit uh, impact because of this circular. There may be some panic selling or something like that. But otherwise, if you just see that 1.2%, 4.88% is not just not big number as such. So there is no point to saying that there will be crash because of this circular. No, I don't think so. There might be the other two reasons. There can be the crash for the US presidential election and the China-India tension. That can be the reason, but not this one. But yeah, there we can see the little bit bearishness or red starting by Monday. So that can be possible because the impact of this circular, because they are very smart. They issued on a Friday, Saturday, and we are doing this on a Saturday. So they issued on a Friday, so there will be no impact as such. Uh, so as of now, I don't think so there is any impact. What we should do if you are investing, if you are not comfortable with that, you always have option to get out from the mutual fund. But yeah, don't sell off in hurry. There may be a mutual fund because you maybe face a exit load. So what you have to do is you have to wait till the time there may be possibilities that if they want to recategorize the mutual fund company generally waive off the exit load. So you can wait for that and then take a wise decision. Otherwise, I don't think so there is any panic. But yeah, overall this is a good. There will be some criteria now other than just investing into the big large cap fund and saying that they are multi cap. So yeah, this is good. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, this is really important because I feel a lot of people, I'm seeing the video that people are saying, yeah, crash aane wala hai, but yeah, nothing is going to happen. So please subscribe and share with the video with your friends. So please share this with your friends so they can have idea of what exactly we are talking. Thank you.